Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, hi, hope you stick around and subscribe. So in today's video, we will be doing a Your Creative Studio unboxing. This is my very first box and I'm so very excited to go ahead and get started. So without further ado, here we go. So in other unboxings that I've seen here on YouTube from Your Creative Studio, some girls keep the wrapping paper in order to decoupage it to make it into tags, and you know, the possibilities are endless, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep that. Alright, so right off the bat, they did not fail me. The first item was just so incredibly beautiful. Look at all these sheets. We got 8 options. They're all so pretty, girly, and just so dainty looking. I love it. I also wanted to mention that in other unboxings that I've seen, not everybody got the exact same kind of pages. On this pink sheet here, you can see that there's some perforations, and I think you can tear them apart. I'm not quite sure what all crafts can be done with them, but I'll have to watch some videos, get some ideas, or if you've got some ideas, please comment down below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Alright, so next up we have this tiny brown pencil bag with this bodice figure on the front. I think that's what you call it. I'm not quite sure. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so this is very new to me. And I really like it. I think it's cute. So you can see that I do make it apparent that there is this little stitching error right here. I'm not quite sure what happened there. So I tried to pull it off and it wasn't just like a fuzzy or anything. It was actually lifting up the material, so I just left it alone. So on the inside of the pencil bag, you can see that it's lined with black and white stripes, and I think it adds a cute touch. Alright, so the next item I've got is this vellum pad. It does have some perforations where you can just tear them out and use them as you need them. And they're so cute. They have different types of styles in here. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I don't really typically use vellum, but I'm gonna have to start to because how could I not use these? They're so cute. Alright, so the next item that we are looking at here, there's a bunch of little sticky back cards in here. And the box was totally filled up to the brim. Definitely a very awesome variety of just different styles, and I like them. I like them all. Another thing, like I've mentioned before, I have seen other unboxings, and these weren't all the same, so everybody got something different. I've seen some that had like Pink Floyd, the Beatles, and mine didn't have any of that. But to be honest, I'm glad that I ended up with the ones that I did end up getting because I feel like they fit more of my style anyways. So this does take a little bit, me showing off every single little card because each one was different. So if you don't want to see all that, go ahead and just skip ahead and I will catch you on the next scene. 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I have to pretend. Ooh, alright, so this next guy I really was super stoked for. Look how thick this guy is. So awesome. Bunch of cute little stickers on here with mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Different types of flowers and leaves and just cute stuff. Cute stuff. So excited to just pop these inside my journal. Alright, so for the next item, I got some washi tape. I don't typically use washi tape, all because I feel sometimes it doesn't adhere to the pages like I'd like for it to. So maybe if it did, I would use it more often, but since it doesn't, I kind of just put it on the back burner. But I obviously have to use this guy because look how adorable it is. Alright, so the next item we've got is this cute little notepad, and it kind of looks like it would be from like a post office or something. Plenty of pages as well. Super adorbs. And they were all the same. They were all the same, but that's okay because sometimes we can hoard stuff if we don't have very much of it. But since all of these are identical, then I don't have to be stingy with it and I could continue on using them. So the next item that I had in the box was this faux postage stamp notepad, and all of these were cute too. I'm loving everything so far. I haven't had anything that I'm not excited for, and they all just were so different. Look at this. So I also want to talk about the packaging on how this company just packaged everything. I think they did such a really good job, and it makes me so happy to see cute packaging like this because once you're done using all the items that are inside of it, you could repurpose it for something else. Next up, we've got some tags. You can see the one on the right has a glossy finish, and the one on the left is a matte finish. And on the upper left hand corner, I will be showing these white tags. And the ones that had the glossy finish honestly felt more like cardstock. And the ones that had the matte finish, those ones were very thin. So we have this floral lace. It's so dainty and cute looking. I didn't open it because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it just yet. So I did leave it enclosed and I'm so very sorry about that. So when I initially purchased this box, this was one of the items that I was really looking forward to because most of the stamps that I've bought have been from a thrift shop, and to have received my very own brand spanking new cling stamps is just so exciting. Next, we've got a tiny little sticker pad with just a couple of flowers, and I don't know what else much to say about this, but other than they're stickers and they're super gorgeous. Alright, so last item of the box, we've got a couple of sheets of paper, and they're backed up with like a sticky back, so you can adhere them to your page however you'd like. Some had butterflies with some orangey tones and yellows, and some had like more neutral tones, but whichever color they have, I just found them absolutely adorable. I can't wait to use these guys. So we are nearing the end of this video. I want to thank you so much everybody for sticking around and watching. Hopefully y'all will subscribe and comment and let me know what y'all thought. I also want to make a very special shout out to my sister Abby. Thank you so much for watching. Even though some of my videos have been very boring in the past and I was still learning, I'm so appreciative of her support and I can't thank her enough.